A moderately shallow magnitude 5.3 earthquake was reported after midnight near Machala, Cantón Machala, Provincia de El Oro, Ecuador. According to the United States Geological Survey, the quake hit on Tuesday, April 25, 2023, at 12:35 a.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 60.5 kilometers. Magnitude and other quake parameters can still change in the coming hours as the agency continues to process seismic data. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology (IRIS), which listed the quake at magnitude 5.3 as well. A third agency, the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, reported the same quake at magnitude 5.3. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage, but was probably felt by many people as